Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word Ethiopians. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The group of Ethiopians gathered for a traditional coffee ceremony to celebrate a cultural holiday. Ethiopians refers to people from Ethiopia, a country in East Africa known for its rich cultural traditions, history, and diverse ethnic groups. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.